Hey traders, Andy Dermot here. Hope you guys are well. So today I want to speak about the concept of being market neutral. So as a trader, we're kind of looking for opportunities, and we normally try and assess the market and have a bias whether we want to go long or short. And that generally kind of, if you're trading cryptos, that generally is coming from, I guess, studying what Bitcoin is doing. Is it clearly in an uptrend and a downtrend? Because Bitcoin will have an effect on other cryptocurrencies. Now, sometimes you get to a point, like for example, where Bitcoin is right now, it's just had a push up, and it's kind of getting to a point of, it's got a little bit of a decision to make. It might consolidate, and I'm kind of looking across the board, and it's not an obvious up move or an obvious big down move right now. So sometimes I kind of think, well, if I'm neutral on the market, maybe what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for opportunities to buy cryptocurrencies that I feel are either undervalued or have been in consolidation. And then, and especially the ones that I'm really interested in and I believe are going to go higher in the long term. Now, I also do the opposite with the overpriced cryptocurrency. So I'm looking to short those cryptocurrencies, and that creates a market neutral play. So I'll just kind of show you what I've done this morning. If you can see my screen. Hold on, let me bring in my screen here. So what I've done is I have, for example, here, I've taken, I don't know if you can see, hold on. Let me change the screen, share screen. Let me show you the right screen. It's this one here. So yeah, so what I've done is I have gone long two cryptocurrencies, Algo and Atom, and I've gone short another two cryptocurrencies, Ren and Sushi. And that creates basically a market neutral situation. Now, if I just show you why I did that, essentially, if you have a look here, you can see that Algo have come back, consolidated for a number of days and has come back to my support, my dynamic support line. And it looked quite bullish here that it could have a rally. On the flip side, when I looked at Sushi, and I posted this one in the group, in the Elite Crypto Traders group yesterday, this one is basically at the top of an up channel line. So, the idea here being that they're two good opportunities on their own. But anyway, so that I have a short signal and a long signal, but because one is long and one is short, it gives me a neutral play. And that allows me to feel safe that if Bitcoin suddenly collapsed and the whole market then probably is dragged down, well, at least I have my position in Sushi where I'd make a lot of money, most likely on the short, even if the other one got stopped out because of the whole market fall. But most probably, if it did crash, I'd probably make a lot more than the stop out in Algo. Now, what you can also do, and what I like to do, is once I get a bit of a move, I also like to trail my stop up. So ideally, what I want to create is a situation where I have two risk-free trades. And that is a great place to be, because now I'm market neutral, so I'm not at risk from the market. Plus, I've locked in my gains, or I've made sure that I can't lose on either trade. And then you have a real opportunity to, if one of them runs or both of them run, you can make, really great returns with very, very little, and eventually no risk at all. So start to think about that. So sometimes when the market's really, really bullish, you may not want to do the neutral play, but even though I still think there is a place for it in any market, because it's always nice to have a hedge, in case the market suddenly just corrects. How many times have we been caught out with Bitcoin? Like where it just all of a sudden drops 10%. And you're like, what on earth has happened to my portfolio in the last 5 minutes? It was great before I just went off to have my coffee, and now it's like, what is going on? So just remember what you're trading, guys. These are highly volatile assets, and just be smart, be proactive, and just keep on top of your portfolio as well. Don't just kind of sit there hodling passively, because we need to be proactive to really get the big returns. Right, hope that helps, guys. Have a good day. See you soon. Take care.